Hi, my name is Emily Peretta, and this is my sport revenue research project. I will be discussing about the Crandon Park tennis facility. We'll be talking about the idea on the facility, what drove to the development, finance, promotional strategies, extra cost associated, maintenance problems, administrative structure, risk management concerns, parking lots, events, and demographics. The owner and operator of Crandon Park Tennis Facility is the Miami-Dade County Parks and Recreation Department. They broke ground in April 1992 and opened in 1994. Construction nearly cost $21 million. The needs brought up for this facility was so the community could have a recreational local tennis court, host events such as the Miami Open, Junior Orange Bowl, and other USTA tournaments, along with a high-end training facility. Since this is a county and government-run park, they are the primary funds, meaning there is a budget given each year, leading to this being a public facility. Costs associated with the facility's construction include building of tennis courts, plumbing, creating buildings, the decor, amenities, and so much more. In order to promote themselves during time of construction, the operators use many techniques such as propagandas, commercials on radios and TV, and even newspaper articles. The biggest promotion was word of mouth, and is also a huge factor because tennis players and fans' best feeling is to play and watch on brand new courts. With a new facility brings on the facility administrative roles. In a tennis facility, you will have the manager and director who runs the whole operations, yet is still overwatched by the county since they are the ones funding. Then we have the assistant manager director who helps with the manager on whatever needs to be done. At Crandon Park Tennis Facility, we have pro shop workers. Here is where you will confirm your courts and reservations, sell items such as snacks and drinks, tennis rackets, strings, and other tennis needs. They also do quick cleanups of the areas, such as bathrooms, tables, and small duties that are assigned. Of course, we have the tennis coaches who instruct the players of all ages. In this facility, we have from around 5 years old up to around 70 playing tennis. All ages, races, and ethnicities are welcomed and always present. Maintenance is a big job role as well. This job role includes making sure courts are playable, water is working, to simple things as the gardening. With maintenance being a job role means of course there is a current maintenance problem. When you visit Crandon Park, you will notice that it is pretty outdated, which is one of the reasons Miami Open is not held here anymore. A small problem that does need to be fixed is that the buildings should be repainted. Also, some courts, such as the stadium, needs renovations, from the stands to the physical court. A couple of risk management concerns will be ironically the sea level being in Miami and hurricanes and tropical storms being a common in Miami. These natural disasters could all cause damage to the facility, causing a lot of damage for money. From palm trees falling on buildings, buildings caving in, being next to the beach also causes really deep floods. I spoke earlier about events, such as the Miami Open and Orange Bowl. When these events are being held, they must control their crowds by hiring a whole staff team from security, police, concessions. It is not the facility's duties nor event to make sure everything stays under control. If you are thinking about visiting Cranon Park Tennis Facility to play some tennis, you could check out their website run by Miami-Dade County Parks and Recreation. It's not all that eye-catching, but it is very useful. You can use it to check out the address, the hours of operation, the park descriptions, the fees, and you could even reserve your courts right away to make sure you have your spot. Make sure you check out this beautiful facility. It's not one you want to miss, and it is a historic site. Thank you for watching.